UTS is the Chinese manufacturer and exporter for testing equipment since 2005. Engaged in tester research and development for more than 20 years, we produce and sell expertise standard-based testing instruments for textile, toys, and shoes. All of testing instruments are designed and produced strictly according with ISO, AATCC, ASTM, EN, DIN, JIS, GB, BS, SATRA, ANSI, UL, TAPI, IEC, VDE, and CSI international standards. Our factory have passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. We focus on keep improving products' performance with good function and to provide CE ISO 17025 certificate, which assure you long-term machine life service. With the competitive advantage products and considerate after-sales services, UTS has built the long-term partner relationship with the global famous testing organization, including SGS, UL, Bureau, Veritas, Intertek, and TUV, to make sure the high precision and definitive test result. Our QC team debug and calibrate all of tests before delivery. As the energetic brand in the global market, UTS aim at providing the trusted materials testing solutions, which strictly comply with international standards to protect the client's brand and reputation, so as to help all of the consumers to find the valuable goods. We will keep on research, development, innovation, and improving our pre-sales and after-sales services to benefit our clients. UTS, make your quality visible.